Alright boys, and the 4 girls who actually watch this channel, 50% of which are my mother and sister, it's time for the mod we've all been waiting for. The mod that this Monster 937 really needs to complete its beautification. You all know what I'm talking about. These daggers right here. That's right, those spears, those Dumbo ears that are jutting out from the sides of the motorcycle, terrorizing children as I ride by. They haunt my dreams. They're trying to kill me. They gotta go. Here's how to do it and what they look like when we're done. Let's do work.
Ducati's dynamic LED turn indicators for the Ducati Monster cost $149 US. The part number is here, and these are a pair of built-in dynamic LED turn indicators. The sequenced sweeping lighting with automatic turning off creates a light strip that embellishes the simple and clean lines of the bike for even more captivating look. They ensure high brightness and further enhance the highly iconic and contemporary style of the Monster. In other words, unlike the previous turning signals, these don't suck. These blinkers are not approved for USA roads. Sorry, not sorry.
Alright, here they are. Ducati. This is the turn indicator for the front right, turn indicator for the front left. They're the part numbers. Made in Italy. It's the only way we do things around here. The unboxing. No instructions, but that's okay, because these are plug and play, and that is what she looks like. Here we go. Okay, tools you're going to need for this install. Your 4mm T-handle, your 4mm ball head T-handle. Now I use both of these because I like this one for a little bit more stability when I can use it, and then use the ball one for when you can't really reach it with this one. Some sort of a light, preferably that stands up by itself. That's it. Basically, you just take out 3 bolts, disconnect the wire, throw this into the trash heap where it belongs, reconnect the wire of the new one, pop them in, put 2 of the screws back in, and look beautiful. All right, taking out your first 3mm here. Set that aside. Okay, here's where we need the ball head. Pinch right here. Okay, put those in thusly. Connect your wire. Make sure it's in there snugly. Feed the excess wire back into this chamber. Make sure that wire is not in the way of the screw hole. It's going to snap in. Make sure it's snug. Okay, this time you only have 2 bolts to put back in. I love these T-handles. I have a ton of these. These are on my Amazon storefront. If you guys want to check it out, my links are in the description below. And with that, your bike just got 1,000 times better looking. Probably the best bike mod I've ever had, except for my Terminioni exhaust. They are gorgeous. I don't even have to tell you, you already know. You can just see for yourselves how awesome this is. I love that, like, I don't know what you call it, sequential signal, complete with that LED headlight. This bike is looking so gorgeous. And now I can be at peace. I can finally sleep at night without having nightmares. Beautiful, beautiful, and beautiful. Thank you, Ducati. You have done well. So in case you guys couldn't tell, I'm ecstatic about these new turn signals. And I think with these, the aesthetic of the bike is nearly complete. We do need a solution for the tail section, as I mentioned, but we're working on that. Beyond that, this bike is a Picasso on 2 wheels, and I love it. I'm just kidding, I like it. Here at Radar Cars, we do not love material things. We like material things. We use material things, but we do not love them. And that reminds me, this is a great place for some words of wisdom. Alright guys, if you're new here and you are interested in Mustangs, motorcycles, and Mantech, you may want to consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content.
You there, yes, you hit subscribe right now. You're making me very nervous by not subscribing, and that's not very kind of you. Don't be rude. Hit the subscribe button right now. I mean it, right now. Do it. Click.
Alright guys, look forward to more cosmetic and performance mods to this bike coming soon. Until then, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one. I'm just kidding, I'm not really going anywhere. I've got to go inside and edit this video. See you in the next one.